the okay. Coming back to our session, okay. On the assignment, okay, you have to submit the assignment if possible. The due date will be the next day of the assignment. Basically, the assignment is not that difficult in the sense that most of it is just like after you do the setup, okay, just want you to make a screenshot, okay, and then name the assignment according to the numbers that being listed in the AKPK attendance, okay. Also can be seen in the Telegram group already all the things that all the list of names and the numbers that reflect your name, okay. So if possible, try to submit it after the day after the class day, so that we ended. Okay. So before we start for today, I see that there's 40 people. Maybe the rest by running have other official tasks. So for today, I would like to cover briefly on the day 5. If you see on the schedule that have day 5 would be on the Instagram and Twitter marketing. I hope that you are interested on Instagram and Twitter. Maybe some of you already mastered in Instagram and Twitter as a personal, or perhaps some you already done Instagram marketing. This is part of Instagram marketing. So we want to see Instagram and Twitter best practice. So what we want to do today is that we want to go on how to do the setting, basically starting from if you haven't had any account, so we want to start to register the account, and eventually if possible we want to run the ads campaign with respect to the different social media platform. Okay, so here we are talking about Instagram and Twitter, and then also we want to do this comparison between image, videos, and also text lah. Basically we want to see the different outcome of engagement when you do different posting, and in the sense that if possible which platform we want to look at have a better engagement as compared to different platform for different types of marketing content. Okay, so that is what we want to focus for today. And before we go off for today, we also try to do some customization on our website WordPress. So those who already make some customization, because you're able to do a few customization in your WordPress. So if possible, we wanted to add more to the customization. For instance, we want to see the menus in your WordPress, and perhaps we want to see how you can set themes in WordPress. So stay tuned, because we want to do that perhaps after the coverage that we wanted to have for today, right? So any questions so far? Okay, if not, basically I will start with Instagram marketing best practice. For Instagram, basically people says that this is for the new or the not the student lah, I mean for younger version or younger person lah, but actually anyone can also go for Instagram, but maybe the amount of engagement will be much more on the younger person lah. Okay, so with respect to Instagram, we see that the one that attract most would be images and videos lah. Right now, short videos will be also very good engaging if you want to do in Instagram. Okay, so how do you go to Instagram? There are two different methods. One is through your browser and PC. The other one would be through mobile phone. Okay, so basically you can go to instagram.com. Okay, and then you type this on your browser. Okay, and when you enter this, if you haven't logged in, you will need or you'll be given the page, or you'll be taken to the page where you need to register. Okay, so for those who haven't had any access to Instagram, I would suggest we do it right now. Okay, go to Instagram. Okay, say that I've opened a different browser so that I can also follow you guys on the installation part. Right. Okay, so go to Instagram.com. And then they will ask you for your access. If you haven't had any access, so you need to create an account. Okay, you can also log in using Facebook. Another one that I need to start. Just a minute. Okay, so you need to either register or log in. If you already have your account, okay, so you can log in. Okay, so this would be the login part where you can log in. Okay, also in the same time you can log in through what they call it, through your Facebook lah. Okay, but if you haven't had an account, you have to sign up first. Okay, say that you haven't had an account, so what you need to do is that you need to sign up. Okay, so you need to put what is your email and also what is your first name, username and password. Okay, and then you can sign up. So say that my email is sampoy@gmail.com. Okay, my name is Aku, username is Aku Sampoy. Okay, password say that I just want to put 1 2 3. Okay, then sign up. Okay, so sign up. There's maybe somebody already have this. Okay, say that I just put it plus new. This is the okay, this is the one that I've already shared with you, where you can actually extend your email address to, if you need to register to different social media platform, rather than every new platform you need to register one email. So what you can do is that use this plus and then any text that you want to extend. Okay, and it will actually see it as a new email or a different email. Okay, like I've already shown just now. If I didn't put the plus new just now, you can see that I won't be able to register because this email actually has already been used for other user registration. So if you have another different account that you need to register and in the same on the same platform, okay, so what you can do something like this. Plus say that you want to have a new account, and the new account called cepat balik, okay, cleaning services, okay, or cepat balik. So you know that this would be the account that you create just for Instagram in Gmail lah. So you can register, and if you see that it's already, it can be accepted lah, because this one, the plus sign here actually to extend your email address, okay, but you don't need to create a new email address in Gmail. Okay, so these are one tips that you can use if you wanted to register lah. Mobile Haji Nur Syakila as mobile Haji boleh ke? Boleh juga, no problem. Okay, if I can show you my mobile, because we will also use mobile. Okay, so I hope that you can see. Okay, this is on my mobile phone. You can also go for your Instagram, mobile Instagram, and this is how it looks like, your mobile Instagram. Okay, so you can have your home button down here. Okay, when you click your home button, I cannot show. When you have your home button, click on your home button on your bottom left. Okay, you will see this kind of platform. This one, the user interface, and if you click on your right hand side, that is your own profile. Okay, so you can customize your profile. Okay, here, so that you're able to perhaps make it much more customization. And also, if you are on mobile, if you click on your right hand button, also bottom right hand, and then goes to your top left hand, so that, for instance, you can see the MCDM did. You can click and you can actually change to a different profile. It can be your own profile, or perhaps you are sharing different profile with your friends or daughter. You can see mine is, there's so many, right? So this is on my profile, my personal profile. Okay, and you can switch it back. Okay, so that you're able to see for today's example. Okay, so this is how you see the profile. If you click one of the image, okay, and you can see that the details of the image, right? So this is Instagram. Okay. Okay, so if possible, try to register and get a login user and password. Okay, and it will ask you to actually go and confirm your account through your email, the email that you send here. They say that here, password, username, new password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so the password should be more than, I think, 5 character. So then you're able to sign up, right? Okay, it says that password is too easy, create a new one. Okay lah, we say that 1 2 3 4 5 6 A B C D E F. So I hope that this one should be okay, right? So then it will ask you to add your birthday. It should be, you have to be 18 and above. Okay, say that my birthday in 1993. Just put any date. Okay, then go to next, and you can see that it will resend code. Okay, and you go to your email, of your email, and then you will see that a code has been sent, and you put the code inside here. Okay, I'm not so sure my Gmail, of course, the email that I've given is available or not to access the code. Let me just check it first. I'm trying to access the code that being sent to our email for registration of Instagram just now. So try to load my email. Okay, so the email has arrived. Okay, so it gives you the code that you need to insert for your confirmation registration. Okay, so go back here and just paste the code. Copy back, Ctrl C, and then go to this, right? So go next, and then you will see that the register is complete. Okay, registration is complete. So now you can customize. So turn on notification. By default, you should turn on the notification so that you can see any comment, especially or text that being sent to you by perhaps your customer. Okay, and these are the Instagram that we already created. On another note, if you look at my email address just now, okay, you can see that here, okay, my email address, as I've already mentioned, that you can actually filter this according to the plus sign that you have. See here, this is the email address. This is the email address. Aku sempoi plus cepat balik. Okay, so it's already or it's useful and it's working lah to able us to extend our email address so that you can have a different account to register. Okay, so ikhwan, maaf saya tadi ada kerja. Apa topik kita pagi ni? So our topic for today is related to Instagram and also Twitter, and also I wanted to do some customization on WordPress. Okay, so now we already, for Ikhwan's information, we are already in Instagram, where we wanted to register for Instagram and then started to do some customization on the Instagram platform. Okay, so if Ikhwan already have an Instagram account, you can just log in. But if you haven't had, please do registration. Can you guys give me an indication how many of you already have access to Instagram? Yes, dah ada already. Anybody else that haven't? Roges already have. Good. Nur Shakila have. Okay, Segaran also have. Nurliana have. Just finished sign up for Shami. Nan also have an Instagram account. So if you already have, you should be able to see the Instagram. Okay, and you able to actually customize lah. Okay, right. So this is your profile if it's on desktop. Okay, you can edit your profile over here, change password and so forth. But for today, I don't want to use the one in the browser. Okay, I wanted to use with respect to the mobile phone interface. Okay, so if I would share with you the interface. Okay, so this is the interface as already mentioned. So we wanted to go to the right hand side, bottom right hand side. Okay, so if you already have a few posts, you can see that the post as something like this. Okay, if not, what you can do is that there's a plus button on the bottom. Okay, here. Okay, and then you can go to next to post. Okay, so before that, okay, what we wanted to do is that go back to the your profile, okay, and do some customization. Okay, so right click on the three lines on the bottom. Okay, here I cannot show you because this is on mobile, and go to setting. Okay, I show you again. There's a three lines on top of the your right hand side. Okay, and then go to setting. I have 4 different accounts. You can just use any of your account, or if you wanted to create a new one, also you available, or you can do that, Zalika. Okay. Okay, go to setting, and then we wanted to do some customization. Go to account. Okay. Actually, you can see that there's few where is it? Security. Okay. So coming back to this, you have on this screen, you can have the notification. You can have business. You can have privacy, security, payment, account, about, and so forth. Okay. And what you can see also that you can have multiple login. So this one, if you want to add a new account, you just can click the add account. Okay, and you can add new account. Okay, basically, if you have a few businesses, and you can do the setting for different businesses, different account. Okay, tak jumpa button setting. Okay, if you go to your main Facebook, Instagram just now. Okay, you can see that on the bottom left hand, right hand corner. Okay, there's a button on your bottom right hand corner. Okay, click there, and they will take you to this setting or this interface. Okay, you guys okay? And then there's a what they call it, 3 lines on the top right hand corner. Click on the top right hand corner. So it should be here, top right hand corner. I'm not so sure you guys can see it or not. And then click there. Then the next interface, you can see setting. Cairo Faizi tak jumpa. Can you see the 3 lines on top right hand corner? Top right hand corner, there's a 3 line. Nope. Where are you right now? Are you in the home interface, or this is no bawah? battery tu. Yeah, it should be bawah battery. Okay, so the first thing, this is the common interface lah. Okay, then macam mana? Macam mana boleh tak? Give me 5 minutes. I try to find a sketchable screen on my mobile phone. Okay, and then I try and I come back. Okay, give me few minutes for me to install. Alright, so now mine's ready. Okay. Okay. So coming back to what we mentioned just now. Okay. So you have this. If this is your main Instagram, so what you can see is that you'll be able to see this button. Okay, so you'll be able to see this button right down here. This is your home, and there's another button down on your left hand side here, right? So this is to go to your profile. So we want to go to your profile. So you click on the profile on left hand side, right hand side of your bottom page. Okay, so now it will take you to this profile page. Okay, so now you can see that there's a button. There's a button or the three lines up there over here. Okay, there's a 3 line up here. Okay, click there. So when you click, there's a setting. There's a setting down here. Okay, there's a setting down here. Okay, so you want to go to the setting, and then you click the setting. Okay, click on the setting. Now you will have your login. Okay, so you can add different account. Okay, so you can have your different account down here. Okay, if you want to add account, or if you want to have multiple account, you can do this over here. Okay, what else that we have? We also have you can have a different menu on here: follow and invite friends, notification, businesses, and so forth. Okay, so perhaps go to account. Okay, and then you can see that you can link account. Okay, link account. So now here you can see that you can link your account to your Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Ameda, and OK.ru. So basically, with Twitter, it's already being interconnect between Facebook and also Twitter. Okay, if you want to mention the connectivity. Kuan, sorry sir, macam mana nak mapai to link account ni? You have to go to link account. Okay, there's a menu, link account over here. Link account. Okay, so if you still unable to access, I go back. Okay, this is your profile. Okay, then click on the 3 lines on the top right hand corner. Okay, and then go to setting at the bottom. Okay, basically if you just install, it should be the latest one. If one just kena update new version ke, basically although you have the very old, I think that's not too old lah. You already have all these similar features, but if it's able, if you already if you able to update, it is much better. Okay, so then go to account. Okay, you can link account. Okay, link account over here. Okay, link account. Okay, then so click on the link account, and you can see the connectivity between Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr, and the rest also Ameda and OK.ru. If you want to connect it on Twitter, just click on Twitter, and it will take you to your page to authorize the connection between Instagram and also Twitter. Okay, so I don't want to do this. For Facebook, I've already connected. Okay, so you can also connect it with your page of Facebook page in order for you to link. Okay, so you can link and unlink. Okay, so that is one thing that you can customize. Okay, right, then coming back to the profile page. Okay, so what you can do is that you can edit your profile. Okay, so here you want to edit your profile. There's a button here, edit profile. the one that you wanted to do customization. Okay, so we wanted to change what you see over here. For instance, this promotion, we want to change the contact perhaps, okay, and also the description, okay, on here. Okay, so we wanted to do that. Okay, so what you can do now is that click on the edit profile. Okay, and you can see that now you can edit. Okay, so what you can do is put your name, your username. You can change your username. Okay, and then if you have website, so you type https semicolon AKPK test train hazril.com. Okay, so this is the one website that we already created. Then the bio. Okay, the bio here, if possible, we wanted to make it much more clearer. Say that you wanted to make your Instagram profile so people would know. Okay, the first thing is that perhaps you create what is your actual business name. So if I using the same business model or business name as we follow from last week, so mine is Cepat Balik Cleaning Services. Okay, then it can goes up to 160 character. So perhaps you want to start with an hashtag cleaning services. Okay, so you put your hashtag, for instance. So the next thing is that you explain about your business lah. So this is a we provide cleaning services within 10 km in the area of Bangi. Okay, we have been doing this for more than 10 years. Okay, contact us, or perhaps a new line. Contact us now. Okay, give your phone number +601 4567889. So if possible much more lah, so that people will understand about your business. Then if it's okay, then click OK. Services. Okay, so there's something wrong. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay, so now I think it should be okay. You can click on OK. Oh, too many character. So perhaps just throw out some of it. Okay, so now, okay, so with that, you have done part of your description or bio. They call it bio. Okay, so this part is the bio that you already done just now. Okay, so now it looks much more presentable. In the sense that people, when they come to your page, they say, oh, okay, so your company provide cleaning services, okay, and you can be contacted at this information. Okay, so you have done a bit of it, okay, and wanted to go back to the previous page of settings. So again, create edit profile because we haven't finished the rest. Okay, public business information. What is your page? What is your category? So category, basically at the beginning they will ask you. So mine would be product and services. So I put it as a product and services. Okay. What else? Profile display. Okay. Do you want to display your profile? Yes. Okay. So display category label, display contact info. Okay. So done. Also call and email. So this one would be setting directly. Okay. Then the rest. So now you have done setting on your bio. Okay. Okay, so if it's okay, public business information tak jumpa. So if you are able to get the public business information, so you have to go back to the setting, okay, and then go to your account, okay. So you can actually where is it? Close language request verification. Okay, so there's one button down there. You can switch between your personal, account, between your creator account, or your business account. Okay, so you have to change to your business account, public business account lah. Okay, so say that right now I change it to my personal account. Okay, switch back to your personal account. Okay. Okay, so now you are currently back to your personal account. Okay, now you want to add back to your business account, log in or... Okay, so it will give you to log into your... So just now, we already out from our business account. Cairo Faiz screen menu shown switch to professional account. So it should go to professional or business account lah. Okay, so now you can go to at this menu. You can also go between your personal or your business account or your creator account. Okay, so now if I want to log back to other account, which is my business account, log into existing account, and I've already have it right now. Okay, and go back to the setting, and you will see that okay, so now you have go back to account. Okay, so now you can back switch to personal professional account or to your business account lah. Okay, switch to personal account. Okay, so when it shows you move to personal account, then you will see these two different setting. Okay, we want to choose for the business account right now. Okay, not the creator account. Creator account is for those who consider themselves as a public figure. Okay, they wanted to create a different type of account and different customization. So you do that. Okay, but for us, we want to have the business account. Okay, so get the business account. click next. Okay, welcome to Instagram. Continue. Then continue. Okay, so now it comes back to your business account setting. Okay, so mine just now, the category is product and services. If you have different type of services, just type and then choose what type of services that you or your category of services. Then put it into next. Okay, and it gives you your contact information. Okay, and then type next. Okay, then wanted to connect to Facebook. Yes. Okay. And it will ask you to get approval from Facebook. Okay, but mine is something wrong as yesterday, as tested yesterday. But is you guys can try yours. Don't connect mine. I don't want to connect. So now I have back my profile, business profile. Okay. Okay. So this is the thing that you can customize. Okay, and also you can see that in the post, okay, you can edit your image. Okay, so what you can do if yours is currently this image, okay, if it doesn't have any image, what you can do is that you can edit your image. Okay, click on that image itself. Click on the image and this one, not the image. Edit profile again. Change your profile photo if you haven't have any image yet. Okay. Import from Facebook or new profile photo. Okay, so perhaps you want to get a new profile photo from your mobile phone. Okay, just choose any image that you like. Okay, say that I want to put this nasi lemak as my profile image. Okay, and then you can adjust the size. Okay, and then choose next, and then use filter. One of the best thing about Instagram is that you can choose filter before you go live. So say that you want to make your pictures much more interesting, to highlight, to give much brightness, or to go perhaps a black and white. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, you can choose from the filters. Okay, and also some paid filters. Okay, so just put it. Say that here. You can also edit. Okay, if manually, if you wanted to also edit. Okay, but say that I'm happy with this. Okay, then just go to next, right? And now my pictures, profile pictures are already being changed. Okay, then you can also see on your top center where you have a few information, how many posts that you already sent, how many followers that you are already subscribed, and how many that are following you. Okay, so followers here meaning that how many people that you are follow. Okay, so if you already follow 10 people, you can see that it's being shown there, whereas this is where people following you. Okay, so if you might, if possible, try to get more followers and follows others also lah, on your Instagram. Okay, then the next thing for your profile or Instagram, okay, what you can do is that you can have a new post. Okay, business account unable to private account. No Shakira say business account unavailable due to private account. I'm not so sure what do you mean by that, Nur Shakila. business account, unable to private account. Oh yeah, you mean that you cannot make it a secret page to if you are a business account. Yeah, because usually business you want to make it public. Yeah, the privacy setting. If you wanted to go it to private, you are unable to do that. Yeah. Okay. So the next thing that we want to test is that we want to post. Okay. So now you can see there's a button plus on the bottom center. Okay. So we want to click on that. Okay. So click on the bottom center of okay. You wanted to make a new post. Okay. So now this is how you make a post. Okay. Say that I wanted to sell this mask lah. Okay. So what you can do is that you can resize it accordingly. Say that I wanted to show just this mask. Okay. So with respect to that, we have something like this. Okay. Then say that I'm okay with it. Okay. Then click next. Then you have the filter, same thing that we see just now. Okay, choose one filter, maybe creamer, so it can enhance the image of the mask. Okay, if you want to edit, if you want to add some further filtering, you can do that also. Okay, but if not, just click next. Okay, so now your image that you wanted to have post would be this one. Can you see it? Sending it. Start presenting. I not sure why I can't see if this can give that. Okay, somehow or other when I go to posting, it doesn't show in Google Meet. Okay, screen gelap. Okay, but the thing is that you can edit a new posting just by clicking the plus button at the center, bottom center. So after this, I'm not so sure why it doesn't show. Okay, but then if you can see, just follow based on my voice description. Okay, choose an image. Say that I choose an image of a mask. Okay, then there's a on top of the right hand corner, there's a next button. Choose next. Okay, then it goes to filter. Choose your filter, which one that you preferred. Then click next. Okay, and then it will have all these text, tag people, write a caption, add location. So you can actually do that setting. So say that this is test. Okay, add location.
Screen gelap lah.
Yeah, like I've already mentioned, I unable to do anything because when I go to edit, it doesn't show the page or the screen. But bear with me lah. Just if you want to do a post, okay, what you can do is that, okay, after I click the plus sign, and everyone will see a dark screen, or you cannot see what I done for my editing because something to do with what you call Meet, Google Meet punya problem lah. Okay, so what you can do is that click on the plus button at the center, bottom center. Okay, and it will goes to edit. Okay, then you need to select an image. Okay, then on top of your screen, click next. Okay, after you have choose, then it will goes to filter. Okay, and then next again, and then it will goes to write a caption, tag people, add location. So you write things that relate to the description of what you want to promote. Okay, then you share. Okay, so now this is my posting that I've already posted. Okay, and same goes as in Facebook. You will see that you have a button over here that you can do boosting or promotion. It's the same button if you wanted to do your Instagram boosting, so you can click on that. Okay, so now we wanted to try this button. Okay, so click on the promotion button. Okay, this photo resolution is too low and can be used. Choose a different post. Okay, so say that a different post. Okay, okay, so this is one example of a post. Okay, there's a button promote down here. Okay, so we want to click on this. Okay, so you click promote. Okay, connect to Facebook page. Okay, so here it will take you to actually Facebook advertisement area lah. Okay, so create a page, connect to a Facebook page. Okay, if you already connected, so you will be going to that page of when you create ads in Facebook lah. Okay, so mine, I don't think it able to connect. Okay, select where to send these people. Okay, so we wanted to perhaps go to our website. Okay, right, then on your right hand side, okay, click the arrow button. Click the arrow button here on your top hand side. Okay, click there. Okay, and then select your target audience. Okay, say I want to create my new own target market. So you choose create your own. Okay, you have automatic means that Instagram and Facebook will actually what they call it, automatically connected or do the targeting. Okay, but you can also create your own. So we want to go to create your own over here. Okay, so click on create your own. And now you can see that this is the targeted Instagram ads that you wanted to connect or you wanted to do. So authentic audience name, say that this one I wanted to target to businesses or big corporations. So you want to have for big corporation. Okay, okay, location I wanted to have is around perhaps Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so you choose Kuala Lumpur, right? Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, right? So if it's okay with the location, you just click on your right hand tab. But if not, say that you wanted to add Selangor also. Selangor. Okay, so you choose Selangor, Malaysia. So now you target Kuala Lumpur and Selangor. And perhaps since Selangor and Kuala Lumpur, also you wanted to go for Negeri Sembilan. Okay, so these three state that you wanted to target. Okay, so now we see that potential people reach aren't available yet. Okay, it's okay. then click. Okay, right now you can see that you have 11 million people that you can target. Okay, with the country or the state that you already what they call it select. Where to change the business account? You can actually go to the setting and account none, so that you're able to do changes. I will go back. Okay, but let me finish on this part. Okay, on the advertisement. Okay, so now you have select your name. Okay, which is the big corporation. Okay, or any names that relates to your targeting. You can see that this is the amount of potential people to be connected or to receive your advertisement. Okay, and then this part is the area of location that you wanted to target. Okay, so the next thing is that perhaps you wanted to choose the interest. Okay, maybe the interest is that for cleaning services. Cleaning services. Maybe services. Yeah, services. Okay. We need to choose. Okay, so perhaps it's a professional services. So we say that this is our professional services. So now it is being filtered to only 200,000 people. Okay, so just now is around 11,000. Now it's already filtered to 210,000 only. Okay, say that you are okay with that. Okay, click OK. Right now you can also change to gender. So we want to target to those who have the authority to hire professional services. Okay, so maybe the gender will be between those who already on the higher position, maybe 41. Okay, and can we move it down until 58 or 60? So now it's already filtered to 54,000 only. Okay, then which one, male or female? Usually manager is male or female, it depends. Okay, so you just leave it maybe to male and female, both of it. Okay, so if you filter out one of it, say that I untick female. Okay, so you can see that now it only have 27,000 people. Okay, but I wanted to have both lah, male and female as my selection. So 54,000, and then click right. Okay, so then you have done a tweaking on your filtering. Okay, for your advertisement. Then click right on the top bottom right hand corner. Okay, click right. So now you wanted to your target area audience is big corporation just now. Then click on the top corner, right hand corner again. There's an arrow going to your right hand side. So click also there. So now you have to tweak the budget that you need to have lah. Okay, say that since this is a big corporation, so perhaps you want to target 15 ringgit daily, and the duration that you want to have is around 30 days lah. Okay, so if you say that, okay, with this setting, you will see that you will spend 450 ringgit around 30 days. So for a big corporation, this should be okay lah. Okay, and with that you can reach around 29 to 76,000 people. Okay, and this is according to your filtering that you already suggested just now lah. Okay, and say that you wanted to change the budget. What you can do is that you can slide this on right or left. Okay, so say that your budget you wanted to have only 10 ringgit per day or 6. This one is 6 ringgit. So this is 12 ringgit. Okay, so you can change the amount of budget that you have. Okay, and the duration that you have. Okay, so if it's okay, then again you click on your right hand side, top right hand corner. Okay, and then it will preview your advertisement. Okay, what would be the cost? Okay, so it will say that what would be the cost of your total advertisement. Okay, here is the ad budget. Okay, here is the estimated tax. So this is the total budget that you will be spending lah. Okay, so if it's okay, then you create your promotion. I don't want to click that yet. Okay, because you will run the campaign. Okay, so this is how you can actually do the campaign most or quite similar to what you can see in Facebook lah. Okay, right? So that is on the creating ads. Okay, total spend means that you have to pay to IG. Yes, correct. The total spend means that this is the amount of money that you need to pay to IG, right? Okay, so but you can play around lah. Sometimes if you that one, because I'm showing you an example of a big corporation, and again, if you can remember when we talk about what's the different playing field between big corporation and also small businesses or just starting business owner. Now you can see that we are on the same field as the big corporation. Okay, it can the big corporation will have the same setting, and also same goes for the small business owner. But the thing is that the difference is that your budget would be different from the big corporation. Maybe they have much more marketing budget compared to us. So what you can do, you can customize that accordingly. Maybe you don't run your campaign for 30 days. Maybe you run your campaign for 3 days per month. Okay, or perhaps 1 or 2 days per week, and then repeat for the next week and so forth. Okay, so with respect to that, it is considered as a paid advertisement rather than you get it from your custom or normal advertisement. Okay, so that is on to promote. And also, if you can see that on the same level of your promote here, okay, you can also see a view inside. Okay, so this is to see the engagement, how does this advertisement perform lah. Okay, so if you can go to the inside, okay, click inside, and it's give you some insight of the performance of your posting. Okay, so now it's 0, nothing, nobody like it. The love button represent people like it. Then nobody comment, nobody or they call it retweet or resend it to other Instagram. So nothing, so no reach, no profile visitor and so forth. Okay, but you can see the inside. So Ikhwan question, adakah bisnes seperti Alif Syukri guna cara ini di IG? Yes, I will say that they are using the same thing, except that they have their own team that do that consistently, and this team also and he has a lot of budget for the marketing lah. Okay, so you can do this for your Instagram. Okay, right. Okay, so perhaps I just want to get back to my slide and show you on the slide itself. Okay, go back shop security. Right. So I will go back to this. Basically, we already seen the first tip is that to establish a business profile that separate from your personal profile. Okay, same with Facebook. Okay, with a single login, you can actually separate either business and also leisure. Okay, so what I'm suggesting is that you keep your profile for your personal different from your business profile. Okay, so with respect to a single login, you're able to log in either business or also your personal. Okay, and then we already also seen build brand image. Okay, following and sales funnel, switch from personal to professional account. Okay, so now if you already in a professional account, wanted to switch, okay, to your personal account. Okay, go to account setting account, and then you can switch. Okay, access real-time data. Okay, launch and track ad campaign. Okay, so we have done that just now. Okay, second tips for Instagram, to give attention to your Instagram bio. Okay, so as you can see here, we have done how to actually customize a bit of your Instagram profile. Some of the best practice that you can see that others being used is that something like this. The image would be somewhat very simple. Okay. Okay. So if you can have a very simple a simple type of image. Okay, and then this is the name of your account. Okay, and if best it's also related to your business. Okay, when people see, oh, this is related to your business, and then you can also rearrange this uh, your bio accordingly. Okay, so here it use plus to separate different information. Okay, also you can see a different type of example here. Okay, the name of for your, this is for the username, and then this is for the actual name. Okay, and what are the things that related to his profile lah. Okay, also he included some link to his podcast. Okay, and so forth. Okay, so this is some best practice, and you can actually define your different businesses. Okay, through this different component of your profile image lah. Okay, so it will look much more presentable in this way if you can do it lah. Okay, display your brand essence, 150 characters of description, photo and log. Okay, so if possible, try to adjust your profile for your Instagram, something like that. Make it easy to do business with you. Tag your product, add action button. Okay, so you have to add action button. Later on, I'll also will be sharing with you what some of the keyword for your action call to action thing. Okay, be creative in your content. Okay, change content angles, experiment with color and visual effect, play with latest video features and tools. Okay, so the next tips that for business owner, what you can do is that you have to be creative on your content lah. So when you write up write up in a way that people can see it look nice. Okay, you can add emoticon, you can add the special character like the plus sign just now. It looks much more beautiful. Okay, an image sometimes it give you some impression, because in Instagram it is much more on image. Okay, so if you can post a good contents with a better image or a proper image, okay, then people will hook up much towards you lah. Okay, so experiment with colors and visual and also play use latest video. Okay, in Instagram right now, they also have the video types of posting. Okay, but it is a very short posting. If you wanted to post long videos, you will be entering what they call IGTV. Okay, so IGTV will also be part and puzzle of how you can business owner can actually enhance the number of customer with respect to videos, long videos lah. Okay, so you can also do that. Okay. And also, if later I show lah when I go back to the mobile mode, you can also live from IG. Okay, and also you can also get your friend to go live with you. Okay, so later on, okay, perhaps I will ask few people if they wanted to be live with me on Instagram. Okay, we see on the slide this first. Okay. Tip number 5, use Instagram stories. Okay. Other than that, posting. Okay. You can also have stories. If you can see this, your Instagram. Okay. So here on top, this is on the browser. On top here, you can see that you have a story. We call it Instagram story. So if you have multiple story, you will see that multiple story will be shown over here. Okay. So what is the difference between normal posting and what they call it, Insta story? Insta story will actually the lifespan is only 24 hours. Okay. After that, it will be dropped and it will portray a different Insta story, but you still have the previous story lah. Okay, so you can have an Insta story which can features your posting within 24 hours. Okay, so available for 24 hours. Okay, that is the Insta story. It can be text, link, and images. With Instagram, actually, you can play with text, but it will be a very lovely text. We can see later. Okay. With stories, you can also drive traffic. Okay. Use hashtag and geotags and also handler lah. The hashtag with the hash key. Okay. So every time that you wanted to post, okay, part of it, if you can also put text into your posting. Okay, but here it use text for the bio profile. Okay, so this is what we call hashtag. Okay, the one that we have the hashtag over here. Okay, and then followed by a text. Okay, so this is what we call the hashtag. Okay, so you can put hashtag. But in practice, in Instagram, if you read suggestion, they say that the maximum that you can actually share to give a very good impression is around 7 to like 10 hashtag. Okay, and hashtag, it will actually represent relates to your product lah. Okay, so people in Instagram usually what they look for is on the hashtag. Okay, so and you can also find hashtag. So for instance, I wanted to go to find whatever food that you wanted to have to eat, say. Or what you can do is that instead of you just type Malaysian food, or say nasi lemak lah, nasi lemak. This one you can do that. You can do search on nasi lemak. But also you can see the first recommendation in Instagram is actually using hashtag. Okay, so you can search for nasi lemak, but also you can go for hashtag nasi lemak. Okay, so if you are selling nasi lemak, you will actually use some hashtag that relates to nasi lemak. Okay, so you can have a different range, but as mentioned just now, the maximum is best is between 7 to 10 hashtag within a single post lah. Or else Instagram will consider you as spamming. Okay, Ikhwan say what is a geotag? Geotag is location. Say that you wanted to have Kuala Lumpur, so you can hashtag Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so you can see that around 13 million 570,000 98 posts that already use this hashtag. Okay, but with hashtag another thing is that if you make it too common, like here Kuala Lumpur, it is people won't able to search for you lah. So the combination of using a normal or a custom hashtag and also to use a customized hashtag, okay, that is the key to get people to get to your page lah. Okay, so you can use this hashtag to identify or to help people to engage or come to your page itself lah. Okay. Right, so use hashtag, okay, to get people to know more about you. Okay, use insight to track engagement and conversion. I've already shown you. Okay, with if you want to boost or if you want to do paid advertisement, you can also see on the insight to see how's the performance of your engagement. Next, use postpaid, okay, to use the button promote, okay, just now that you can see. And last, or other tips also, what you need to do is for a business owner, you have to post consistently lah, in the sense that if you don't post, meaning that there's a possibility that people would say that your business is inactive or you are out of a business lah. Okay. And then storytelling will be much better in the sense that people will relate to you much more. Okay, perhaps they can realize or they can relate to your stories. Okay, say that you are selling nasi lemak due to your OKU, or perhaps your husband is currently not able to work. Okay, so maybe you can share that story, but that one is much more towards a sympathize type of story. It's best if you can give a positive stories lah. Okay, you can still use that kind of story but put it on a positive way. You can say that, although my husband is currently unable to walk or talk or whatsoever, but I'm selling this, okay, to support my families. Okay, if you want to contact me, blah blah blah. So tell stories and relate with your user with stories lah. Use visual consistent feed. Okay, as for Instagram, you need to have a very good images lah. Can focus on user generated content. Okay, content itself, story and also content that really useful lah. Basically, if you want to sell product, the type of content is that you have to have your title and then what are the solution that you are trying to give. okay, and then you try to actually get them to buy as soon as possible. So you wanted to do that, or put upselling and so forth. And then explore videos and also embrace Instagram AR filters. Okay, so the Instagram filters can be useful to enhance the videos or the image that you wanted to presented on your Instagram. Okay, right. Coming back to Instagram just now, wanted to show you guys on how to go live. Okay, so let me share my mobile phone again. Go live on my mobile, present screen, present. All right, so usually, right, you can see that people people will do live. Okay, anybody knows how to get live from this plus button? Can you go live? It will go you to image, photos or video. How do you get live in Instagram? Anybody can give me a tips on how to go live? Ikhwan, any idea how to go live from Instagram? None? At IG story. Where is it? On top, is it? On top. IG story. It doesn't give me any live. Swipe right, yeah. That's the keyword is that you have to swipe to your right and it will give you, maybe too old. Swipe to your right. Okay. So now with your mine is a big thumb. Swipe to your right. Okay, and you can see this right now. Okay. So now you can go live, or you can go for story, or you can go live. Say that I want to go live, right? Okay, and then do some setting that you wanted to have. The title, perhaps our AKPK friends. Okay, so you add a title. Okay, so people can see it. And shopping, business internal, and if you are wanted to add friends, okay, the first thing that you need to go is to go live lah. Other than that, you can do some filtering, like here. You can play around lah with this filtering. So that is why we say that for Instagram, more people lah, very what do you call it? Not those who are professional going for it lah. But here, okay, this one can go for green screen. Okay, say that. Okay, so already go for green screen, and I want to go live. Okay, so I click the live. So now I'm already connected. Okay, so hi, I'm currently live on Instagram. Okay, we have our friends from AKPK. If you wanted to call me or to buy my product, okay, so you can go to my Instagram, right? And also, you can see that from here, there's few button below here. Here, if not mistaken, which one? Go live with. So, no viewers. What is it? You can invite your friend. Maybe not on this mode. Maybe the normal mode. Okay. Last time I'm able to do that. Where is it? Is it here? Where's it? Right, message. I can't find it right now, but the thing is that you can invite your friend. Maximum that you can go is up to 4 lah. Okay, so with that okay, you can able to do discussion with your friends. I'm not so sure. Go live with, okay, so this, you go live with someone, anybody have an Instagram that I can invite? Go live with viewers. Okay, but this is how you go live lah. So basically, if you wanted to go live, okay, so you can go live with respect to that configuration lah. So now I end. So at the end, you can choose either you want to download your videos, okay. Sometimes you want to edit your videos, so you will download it and do some adjustment or do some what they call it, customization, or you can share directly to IGTV. Okay, so these are the two things that you can do with Instagram Live, okay, or videos, right? So with respect to that, okay, so you will be able to have your Instagram ready for your business lah. Okay, so now you can promote your business on Instagram, right? One example that or one customization or one another tips lah, if you want to like look this much more beautiful, you can go and use one of these apps. They call it 9 Square. Okay, so say that I wanted to have an image that can populate into my Instagram just now. Okay, so say that using you have to install this is an Android apps. Okay, so you find 9 Square, chat, and then you can choose an image. Okay, so from my gallery, say that I choose an image of nasi lemak here. Okay, so I can actually go to what do you call it, to choose what type of you want to put your image into a different Instagram what do you call it, display. So before that, coming back to the Instagram now, perhaps I post another one to make it even 6x2, not videos, some photos from galleries. Just a minute that I choose. Okay, so now my profile would be look something like this. Where is it? Posting. The post is not active. So this is the video is still posted, currently uploaded. Have to wait. So now we can play with the image. Okay, say that you wanted to make the image, you want to cut the image into 3 different images, and then later on you want to make your Instagram look much better. Okay, so what you can do, use the 9 Square just now, select the 3x1. Okay, you guys don't have it, I just want to show you to you. Then you do a cropping for it. Okay, and then you say that put on Instagram 1, 2, 3. So put the first one into Instagram direct. Okay, and say that send to. Oh, not direct. Instagram. It should be go for feed. Cancel. Go back. Do it again. Gallery. Say that I choose that nasi lemak just now. Oh, this one is kway teow. Choose 3x1. Okay, so crop. Then go to Insta. and feed. Okay, so this is my first crop. Okay, so just go on and share. Right, so now you can see that on my page I have additional one is the one of the image already being there. So go back to the 9 square. Okay, then again put on Insta feed. You want to post the next picture, right? Next, and finally you have the next one. Okay, so on your profile now you have a second picture, supposedly, right? So now these two. Okay, this is the first picture. This is the second picture, but it doesn't look nice yet, right? So then we wanted to add the third picture from the 9 square. Okay, go again Insta feed, and then publish the next picture, right? So now if I go to my profile, okay, you can see that now it's look much nicer, right? Because my nasi lemak or my kway teow is right now is expanded to 3x1 column. Okay, but if you click on each and every of the image, you can see that it doesn't look real lah, because you have 3 different posting. But this is how they wanted to make their profile much more nicer lah. Okay, say that I can also show mine just now. So mine, for instance, okay, so I can have something like this. Okay, so other than that, so this is where you can also put something a 2x3. Okay, 2x3 also you can do that. Then say this is 2x2. Okay, this is 2x2. Okay, so with respect to that, you can see that it's much better lah. So this one I play with 3x3. Okay, so this one I play with 3x3. So your profile will, when people scroll, okay, they will see much better type of views. Okay, right, so change back to our example just now, right? So now with respect to that, using the 9 square, you can actually manage to get your profile to a better presentation. Okay, so I'm not so sure are you guys are with me or not, but the thing is that we already seen how you can put your business into Instagram. Okay, and you do some customization in order to make your business visible to others. Okay, any question or anything that you want to raise? If not, do you want me to continue or you want to take a break? If you want to go for a break, we will go perhaps only around 15 minutes. Is it okay for you guys?
Fine.
Then come back, because we break jap. Okay, 15 minutes. So right now is 11:43. Maybe we start at 12. Right? Okay. Take a break for 15 minutes and come back at 12. All right? Okay. before that, I forgot to share with you. If you look at what the most posted in Twitter, Instagram, and the most reached post in Instagram is actually just a single egg. Okay, the one that I'm showing you here is an egg posted by the world record egg. Okay, is just an egg, and you can see the reach is currently actually the highest one until right now is 54 million views. Okay, 608,733. Okay, so this is just a single egg. Okay, with some description or some portfolio or bio that being posted onto this posting, okay, and then some hashtag, and is currently one of the in thing at that moment lah. Okay, so I think this is 2019 January 2019, so it's already been edited, but the idea is to make is to go creative lah in Instagram. Okay, in a single post, also you can have this kind of engagement, number of engagement. Okay, so be creative. And recently in YouTube, there I was being told by my family, one of my family members shared that a user, okay, that already that live for 2 hours, and what he did in the whole 2 hours is just stay still. He doesn't do anything, just stay still there, and you can see or you can see the video without he's doing nothing lah. Okay, I can share. Okay, this one. So this guy, okay, it has a reach up to 600,000 in YouTube. Okay, and it says here, lelaki ini muat naik video 2 jam tak buat apa-apa. He is doing nothing, and it can reach up to 600,000 people. So you to make yourself creative or to get much more engaged and also number of user, you can do something different lah. You can do things that give a positive impact, or you can do some silly thing like this one also. Okay, for me, for business, I don't recommend to do this lah, because it doesn't give a good impression to your business as a whole. So what you can do is that if you want to go live, you have to perhaps do some sharing, and then not directly do sales, do marketing or make sales, but you want to get more engagement, because when you have more people coming to your page, your blog or your YouTube channel, so it's much more simpler if you have a product that you want to sell. Just imagine if your channel have 10 people and you want to sell a product, okay, say that 10 ringgit a piece, okay, for each user, and for 10 number of user, if everyone buy it, you get only 100. But if you have thousands of user, 10 ringgit of product and everyone buying it, so you will have thousands of ringgit. Okay, so the idea is to get people to know about you, about your service, then people like your page, your channel, and with respect to that, you'll be able to do a higher or much better business by having this user lah, a number of high number of users, so much more engagement. Okay, so that is on what people's doing. Okay, the next thing is that Twitter marketing. When Twitter start, basically they only can post text. Okay, and there's a limitation. If not mistaken, you can only post 155 characters or 156 characters, and not more than that. Before Twitter, if you want to send messages using SMS, right? SMS also has a very limited character, 150 also. So that is for messaging with respect to user lah, with SMS. Okay, but Twitter is where you can actually put whatever that you think of to so that other people can see or write or read your post. Okay, so a Twitter start is just to do some sharing lah. Okay, so the next thing that we would love to see is on Twitter lah. Okay, so first thing is that if you can go to twitter.com. So now what you can do is that you go to twitter.com. Okay, and then if you haven't signed in, you have to sign in. Okay, so now if you haven't signed up, you need to sign up lah. They say that now you want to sign up, right? Okay, the same email address. Okay, right now you say that this is your Twitter tweet for your cleaning services at gmail.com. Okay, remember that why we use the plus sign is to extend our email and to make your email inbox, okay, just a single inbox, but you can have multiple login to any of the account that you have. Okay, so this is a way that I will recommend to you lah. Okay, and then say that they wanted to have a phone number. Just if you are not ready to put it, so just leave it blank. Month for your birth date, say that February 3rd year. It should be more than 18 years old, so perhaps 1990 would be okay. Phone number also 012-999-999, anything would do. Valid number 012-255-2551. Okay. So if it's correctly being entered, then you can go to the next button. Okay, Ikhwan baru nak sign up ni. Okay, so please sign up, Ikhwan, like the one that I'm trying to do. Okay, go next. Okay, track where your Twitter content across the web. Twitter use this data to, maybe you want to enable this, then click next. Okay, and then create your account. Okay, soon sign up. It says it goes through mobile phone, so next. Sign up. So you have to put your actual number 012265523. Okay, next, sign up. So it will give the verification code, or it will send the verification code to my mobile phone. So you have to wait for it. It's not reached yet.
Okay, say that you reach or you receive it. Okay, so mine is not receiving it yet. Resend, use email. So instead of that, perhaps I want it to use email. Name here is, sorry, cleaning. Cepat. Okay. Cleaning. Cleaning services. Email as cepat balik at gmail.com. Okay, now I want it to recognize me through email. Okay, so sign up, so it will send to my email address. Is this my email address? To change to this account. Reload it. Perhaps the email has been sent but it's not being portrayed. So you can see that there's an email that showing you that it's ready, ending the code. Okay, so you can do is that click on the email address or email that been sent. Confirmation is this, so just copy it and then go to your email, Twitter, and then verify it. Next. Okay. Password, just put the password. Okay, next. So never. Then need to pick the profile. Okay, none done. Ikhwan got verification from SMS and account dah ready ni. Alright, good. So perhaps you can do some customization. Choose some image. See, mine is in where gambar. Right, open. So make it much smaller or put it then apply. Okay, next. So your bio, what makes you so special? Don't think too hard, just have fun with it. Okay, so your bio, professional that the IT and gadgets. Okay. You have to always very outgoing and so forth lah. So you create a bit of your bio, then click next. Want to find a friend to see the following? So now you skip or choose not now. Okay, and then suggest for you to follow. Okay, so this is where you want to follow people and you wanted to get information and display on your dashboard. Okay, so it's already being or it give you some suggestion, or perhaps later on you can also search for it. Okay, so say that I wanted to follow this person. Okay, Khairul Amin. Okay, so I just put it into a following mode, right? See, then I want to just follow one right now, or maybe DG Hisham also follow. Then click on top of that follow. Turn on notification. You want to turn on, but your notification, allow notification, allow. Okay, so now you will already have your dashboard that looks something like this, right? Okay, so with this dashboard, okay, you can actually start to tweet up here, right? To put your text, say hello. Okay. United claim their Champion League place. So something like that. Say that you wanted to put image, you can put image, right? Just choose any of the image. Okay. Say that just want to tweet here, right? And then just go and tweet. Okay, so that is your first tweet lah. Say hello, United claim the Champion League place. Okay, so now you already have your own tweet. Okay, but if you want to customize your tweet, your personal setting, you can go to this icon. Okay, where you can customize your setting. Okay, so perhaps you can click over here. Right, so these are the personalized page that you can use for your businesses. Okay, so you can add or edit your profile, edit your pictures and so forth. So edit your profile. So perhaps you want to put a pictures up there. So say that from this we wanted to have some pictures. Choose this. Say this is what choose happy. Just choose lah actually. Any image will do. Okay, something like this. Okay, so you need to select the range of pictures that you wanted to show. Okay, and you apply. So now you have your own image on your Twitter account. So you can still edit your bio. Let's connect. Okay. You can put your location, you can put your website. Okay, so for businesses, say that you have to put your location. Bangi, what is your website? HTTPS, and then akpktrain.hazaril.com. Okay, and then birth update, then save. Okay, so now you already customize your personal Twitter page lah. Okay, so you can see that this is how it looks like. Okay, on your profile picture, this is on your page pictures. Okay, description and so forth. Okay, and now you are following to and 0 follower. Okay, right. So the next thing is that perhaps you wanted to follow somebody, right? What you can do is that you search for that person. Say that you want to get, you want to follow Alif Shukri, Alif Shukri, right? So Dato' Alif Shukri. So you can go to Dato' Alif Shukri, and you can see that this button appears on Dato' Alif Shukri page. Okay, so you can actually follow Dato' Alif Shukri. Okay, so as a business, maybe you want as a business owner, perhaps you wanted to follow all the business successful businessmen, so you can follow. Okay, and from there, another tips that you can see is that you can go to Dato' Alif Shukri posting and see if they and see who is currently his following. Okay, so say that he is following this. Okay, what you can do is to increase your following is where you can just see his following. Okay, and then you yourself follow. Okay. Right. So now if you see that you right now have 4 followers lah. Okay, so this is all your followers that you are following. Followers, basically you need to get some others or other people to get you for them to follow you lah. Okay, so that is how you get followers and to follow people. And also you can see that the trending, okay, for you right now on your dashboard, you can see kind of trending that people are currently looking at. Okay, what is something to do with social media trending? Okay, what is trending in Malaysia? What is K-pop trending? And whatsoever. So with that, say that you want to talk, to see what is currently people are talking in Malaysia, so just go and see what's the trending. Okay, so these are things that related to the trending. Okay, having Farah as my designer. Farah, so this is on Farah. And other than that, say that for hashtag trending, say it is here that 27.7k already tweet this. So if you want to see, you just type all about 100 million of loves, or you can just click here and you can see all the trending. Okay. And for business owner, okay, if you want to find what is the keyword for that people are saying, just type there and you can see right now some of the keyword. Or maybe say that you are selling air jagung. Okay, so search for air jagung hashtag. Okay, so you can see these are all the people that use air jagung. So they are actually selling air jagung. So if you are also selling air jagung, what you can actually use is that use all this hashtag to also put into your text. Okay, right. Okay, so this is how you can actually start your business Twitter business setting. Okay, so coming back to the slides. Okay, so the first tip is that pick the right handler, profile photo and header image. Okay, the term handler is actually with the alias. Okay, and then the name that you choose. Okay, like here alias Walmart or alias HM. So you wanted to make sure that the handler is short and easy to remember. Why do you want to make it simpler and easy? It's just to make sure that your profile name and your profile page is what they call it, people can remember it easily. So with respect to that, say that right now my handler is let us go to our profile. Our handler is right now is alias cepat balik. Okay, say and also my current profile is actually twitter.com/Khairil. Right. Okay, so I can use this to tweet Khairil. Okay, so what you can do is that say that you wanted to do a posting that you want to address Khairil. Okay, so you can go to your Twitter. Hi, alias Khairil. Okay, so it will give you suggestion. Come and meet us during our soft launching. Okay, so then you tweet right? So this is basically you want to tag Kai Career. So if I go to Kai Career, supposedly you can see the tweet. Okay, tweets and reply. Tweets. But it will actually give you some indication that these people already tweet you. Okay, so but it's how you can identify your username. Same goes. Okay, if you wanted to go to your page, for this is alias cepat balik. So when you want to go to your page, okay, you go twitter.com /cepat balik. So this is actually your Twitter page lah. Okay, so you can see all things that related to you just with a single handler, a very short handler. Okay, so the first tip for Twitter is that when you create, if your name is too long or it has a character like H and M here, it's best that you drop the N, okay, the N here, and just put HM. Okay, so you can remember much better by having that. Then also profile photo, okay, to need to be very simple if possible. Okay, and the header image also should be related and a simpler one lah. Okay, so that is on the profile. Okay, then optimize your bio to showcase your brand. Usually you have 160 character, explain yourself and business. This is the thing that I've already created just now. Okay, this is where you have the bio right now. So when people see it, okay, so you already, people will directly, oh, okay, so this is an IT and a gadget hunter. So they already know that relates to yourself. Okay. Then the next thing is that tweet during peak hours. Okay, so usually it says that Friday, Saturday, and Sunday would be the best. Okay, so you can also see some other research outcome on what are the best period, day, time of posting, so that you able to catch them. For instance, if you want to do live selling, usually they recommend to do it after Isha lah, means around 9 o'clock and above, because at that moment people already done all the things that they want to do. They are currently on a relaxed mode, okay, and started to get their phone and started to do some searching or just to relax. Okay, so that is the best time. And then for posting, like if you want to post your product, okay, perhaps you can post early in the morning at perhaps at 7 o'clock. Okay, so those to target for those who wanted to go out. Okay, before they go, they just check their file on the mobile phone, or for those who are commuting using the public mode. Okay, so they are currently will see your posting lah. Other than that, perhaps at 10:30 during their break, okay. Then perhaps after 6 o'clock, where people already get back home. Okay, so you have to be aware about where, what time and what day that people will see. Okay, like if during holidays, okay, perhaps instead of 7 o'clock, maybe you post at 9 o'clock, because at that time they are ready to engage with you lah. Okay, so there's some posting date and time that you need to be aware. Okay. Tip number 4: keep hashtag used to a minimum and use the right one. Okay, because in Twitter you have very limited area to put your text. Okay, so put it into minimum, and is possible use an hashtag that relates to your businesses, okay, and also a hashtag that custom to your business. You can check the hashtag that relates to the business that you are trying to go, okay, using hashtag ify.me, okay, but with hashtag, okay, you can actually increase twice the tweet, okay, if you use hashtag, okay. So tweet with hashtag receive twice more engagement than those without hashtag. Then tweet with more than with one or two hashtag have 21% higher engagement, okay. But then when you post more than two hashtag, actually the engagement drop, okay. So basically this is to do with the algorithm that being related to Twitter lah, okay. So Twitter, they are the only one knows how they do the algorithm, but they will update all the customers, okay. And with respect to that, the posting that runs on your dashboard, okay, it will change based on the algorithm, okay. The one that it goes here, then shows it here, actually it depends on the algorithm, okay. How does this Jean Michael Pedagal posting is currently on my dashboard? It is based on perhaps at the beginning it's just some random, but eventually when you already use Twitter for a while, okay, Twitter will already know what interests you, okay, and they will give a posting that relates to your interests, okay. Okay, if you guys have any question, please stop me. Then add image to tweet to increase retweets. Okay, retweets represent that when you tweet, other people will also share it on their own Twitter account. So that is what we call retweet. How to do that? Say that you can go to say my just now Khairil. Okay, so I see here. Okay, and this one you can retweet it. Okay. So there's a function that we call retweet. Okay, so you just retweet it. Okay, and it should be posted on your profile. Okay, so you will see that the retweet, okay, right now can also be posted into your business account. Okay, so you can see, or you can retweet something like this. Okay, so if you think that there's something interesting, so what you can do is that you can retweet to your profile by just doing the retweet. Okay, so if you are the one that posting it, usually we call it tweet. Okay, but if you are using others tweet, means that you are using retweet. Okay, so this is on the retweet. The next thing, tip number 6 for Twitter, utilize Twitter video for even more engagement. Basically, when Twitter started, usually they don't have all these images or videos. Okay, but right now they are competing with their what they call it, their siblings the Facebook, YouTube, so Instagram. Okay, so now instead of text, they also can tweet image and videos. Okay, so again, how you can put videos on your Twitter. Okay, you can just go to GIF. Okay, and this is GIF lah. Also others. This one is to do poll. Okay. Okay, basically you can use this for this part. I think you can go with GIF. This is a small animation file that can be posted. Okay, say you can upload something like this. Okay, So then you tweet, and it will play the GIF file, right? Okay. Other than that, let me try say that youtube.com and say that we wanted to have tweet one of, or we want to tweet one of the YouTube. Okay, so say that I take this link to this YouTube video. Okay, and then try to tweet. Can I do that? Just tweet. Okay, so it can embed the videos. Okay, say that well, with MV by Mashita. Okay, so you can also include videos, okay, by giving the link and say that you tweet it, and you see that it will give you some what they call it, some reference to the videos, okay. And if you want to see the videos, then you just click and it will play inside your Twitter itself. Okay, so this also can be done, right? So videos will also increase the engagement for your Twitter account. And this is the things that related to utilize Twitter videos or even more engagement. Then the next tip, conduct polls. Okay, you can also conduct polls if you wanted to see how people respond to your product. Okay, so you what you can do is that you can also put a poll here. Okay, the icon here, put a poll. You want to say that choice number 1, choice number 2. What is your question first? How do you rate my product? Okay, you can say that highly, okay, average, right? Then you can add won't recommend. But usually for business, you don't do this lah, because it will jeopardize when people see you. Okay, so then how long? Say that I want to have it for 7 days. Okay, then if you tweet it, okay, so you will have a questionnaire or a survey that being highlighted here. So your user or your customer can actually goes and select this questionnaire lah. So they can you can see what's the result lah. So you put a poll into your Twitter. Okay. Then tip number 8, use creative call to action. Okay, so you can use like the term follow us, visit our site, shop our sales, download here, learn more, and give the link. Okay, so here download. Okay, so if you wanted to say that, okay, this is our product, if you want to get more, or you want to buy, okay, you can download here. If it's an ebook, okay, so you can give free ebook. Okay, so you can download here. Or if you have Shopee channel, okay, so you can drove them to your Shopee channel. Okay, so shop now, go to Shopee. Okay, so that can also be part of your bio of your Twitter. Okay, so that is the next tip. The second last tip is to reach out influencer or more exposure. For more exposure, meaning that you can work hand in hand with an influencer, but usually they will charge you lah. So what you can do is that if you can find influencer that just coming up, okay, perhaps they don't put price yet, so you able to do that. But looking at some of the trend for business owner, Just to name Alif Shukri and Datuk Vida, they started using influencer or models to be as their what they call it, representative, okay, to sell their product. But eventually they think that is not very effective, so they themselves now be the model or the spokesperson for their product lah. Okay, so perhaps if you are a business owner, rather than go out for influencer, you make yourself visible to everyone, and then put yourself to become the influencer itself, and then people will follow you based on that. So on your social media, when you post, usually you don't do all every day on marketing, selling things. Okay, perhaps you give some motivation, or you share things that related to yourself or related to your product, but in not a very clear manner lah. Okay, and last but not least, you can use the ads. Okay, basically for Twitter ads, okay, you can also do you can post say that this profile, you can actually boost it. That's a way lah, but in this browser, I can't see the boosting right now. Twitter ads, okay? Okay. So it will be on the 3 dotted line at the left hand side of your menu. Okay, you click there and you can go for Twitter ads. Okay, and you can start do some advertising. Okay, get started. Okay, yeah, I'm not going into depth about this. Okay, so but you can also do a paid advertisement with Twitter in order to make your posting much more reachable, okay, with a paid version of it. Okay, so that is on Twitter. Any questions so far? Or okay, so with that, I've already covered on Twitter. Basically, Twitter is a much more smaller amount of texting with smaller size of text, and very short messaging. But you can also relate it to your Facebook, your WordPress, and so forth. Okay, and with respect to that, just a very quick one. The difference between text, video, and also pictures. Okay, so you can see that with videos, actually you can have much more engaging. For instance, here you can see that for display video, you have 8 million of people that reach this advertising format. Okay, but for email ads, text, and perhaps images is still okay lah, but then if you are using text and email or classified, is much more lower than that. Okay, so basically the trend is to go for videos lah. Okay, but for videos, you need to also see what kind of products, okay, and what platform that you can use video. Okay, so for instance, categories that accept for videos is on your, if you are using digital product, automotive, merchandise, apparel, and services. Okay, and the best video-centric social media platform would be YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, and Vine. Okay, so the leading one is currently YouTube lah. Okay, and then I think Facebook also coming follow close to YouTube. Okay, on video. Any Ikhwan asking any advantage or disadvantage side of Twitter? As I mentioned, Twitter is a very short messaging, but people still connected to Twitter because the trending usually started, or you can see the trending in Twitter, whereas in Facebook or in YouTube, you can also see the trending, because in YouTube there's a trending list, okay? But in Twitter, it's much more simpler and it's much more shorter. So people love to have that kind of engagement lah, a very short one. So the disadvantage would be if you an business owner, the Twitter itself is just additional to any the rest of the social media platform. Yeah, you can integrate, which I will also sharing with you, where you can actually integrate all these different platforms by posting a single post, but you can also post to all these different platforms lah. So we can see that later on also. Okay. So coming back to the slide, okay, so you can use video, okay, in some area and some product, okay, but in the same time, pictures also will also excel, okay, in the categories of IT and computing services, collectible, books and magazine. For best photo-centric social media platform, Facebook and also Instagram. I think Instagram is the leading on the photo or picture centric. So Instagram, because the advantage is that you can also filter all these images before you start posting it. Okay, so that is the advantage of using Instagram. Facebook, I think, close to Instagram and Pinterest. Okay, and finally, you can also have the text. Okay, where e-tail, catalogs, home and office furnishing, home and garden, gift and specialty, and for the word-based social media platform is on Twitter and blog. So you can see that the different platform actually reach differently, because some people they are on Twitter. Okay, so you want to catch people on Twitter, so you also join Twitter. Some people they are on mobile devices. Okay, so you catch people on their mobile devices. Okay, so you cannot get everyone into a single platform, because not everyone has the same the devices, the same mindset and so forth. Okay, so you want to get more reach. Okay, so you just need to create different platform and join them. Basically, as I mentioned, all this platform is just a channel lah. So what say if at one time Facebook suddenly closed, okay, so don't worry, there will be another platform. Okay, previously you have different platform like during our study time, okay, my study time lah, we have all this chatting. Okay, what is the chatting? There's a few chatting site, so Friendster, okay, thank you, Friendster or other platform. Okay, so the platform itself is just a channel. MIRC, right? Very good. No, Shakila. Okay, during my time, yes, we connect to MIRC. We need to know which channel is the best channel that have more people, so that we can get into it. Okay, recommend by your friend, and actually during that time, some of my friend also get to know Kampung Channel. The MRC Kampung Channel is there, so some of my friend also get to know their wife or husband through this MIRC. Okay, basically all this that I'm sharing with you is actually the channel lah. To do marketing, you have to know who's your target, and then you try to get the message to your target personnel or person, and then try to convince them and close the deal. That's the main of this marketing lah, and sales, marketing and sales. You want to get more people to know you, then try to convince them, okay, and eventually give them some push at the back so that they buy your product at the moment, at the time, okay, and then you get the sale lah. But the channel can change dramatically from one time to another time. Okay, and when you talk about this channel, I've already mentioned also that some channel is still good for you to advertise using SMS. Okay, because nobody can reject SMS. Okay, when you sell product through SMS, okay, you will receive the SMS either they want to read it or not. Whereas if you are selling using Telegram, not everyone is on Telegram, right? So you have to install first and so forth. Same goes if you have an apps, okay, that you wanted to people to buy from your apps. Okay, not everyone will install your apps. They have a lot of challenging information, or they will not install just by the very simplest reason that they don't have enough memory. Okay, so the channel can be different, okay, but the traditional using using flyers, okay, using billboard, okay, using radios, they still have it lah, or we still have to use it, okay, and all these platform actually can change with time. Okay, so that is the thing that I would like to touch about Instagram, Twitter, and also the different type of posting lah. Either image, it can be videos or text. Okay, but the in trending would be using videos lah. Okay, so you can have to sell your product through videos. Even right now, when you want to jual pasar malam thing, also you can do videos, or ikan, okay, you want to sell fishmongers, okay, those who are selling ikan ketam and so forth, all the fish and also the related vegetarians, okay, they are now selling through videos, live videos, okay, so you can do that for your businesses, okay. But one thing you have to remember, if everyone is using the same platform, the same method, the thing that you need to differentiate yourself is to be better than others lah. How you want to separate other channels? Say a lot of people is selling their product through their Facebook channel, but how do you want to get all these people to your product or buy your product rather than your competitor? So that is the strategy that you have to actually learn, okay, and then you have to try, and also the thing is that you need to do consistently lah, okay. Right, any further question on Twitter, Facebook and so forth? No? Is there any? If not, before we go, I just want to take another maybe 20 minutes, okay, or perhaps until 1:30, because we start a bit late just now. Want to go to customize our WordPress, okay. Say if you can remember all our WordPress link, okay, it will start by AKPK, the numbers, okay, that respect related to your registration numbers, okay. Mine is AKPK train dot hazril.com. Okay, so this would be my page, right? Okay, so I want to if you can remember, we done with the landing page lah, but the page itself doesn't look nice, right? Okay, so I want to take this half an hour to go through how you can customize your page, okay. So what you need to do is that let me just close few of this tab so that it release some of my memories. YouTube also can close, this one can close also, right, bear with me. Right, so if you can remember, you copy the same link, okay, open a new tab, and then paste the link then slash, and add WP minus admin. If you can remember this, admin. WP is admin, right? Can you remember this? The one that we already done, I think in day 1. Okay. So when you enter, okay, it will come to this login page. Okay. So if you can remember your username and password, then it will be nicer. If you haven't changed, it should be admin, and the password will be PASS. Okay, so admin and pass. And if you log in, you can actually now do changes on the back end of your website. Okay, so it will take you to this. Okay, so I say never. Right? Are you with me? Can you log in? Can you remember your link? Right, so if you cannot remember, here's the link back. Okay. For none will be akpk01.hazrail.com. Okay, this is for none. Okay, and then for Noliana, yours will be AKPK02. Okay. Then mana Ikhwan? Ikhwan, yours will be AKPK07. Okay. Nur Shakila, yours will be AKPK16. Okay. Betul Shakila. Ikhwan dah dapat. Then the rest respectively lah. Okay, it will be AKPK, then the numbers, and the numbers will be according to your registration. None is number 1, but start with 01. Noliana is 02, Amelia is 03, Muhammad Farihin is 04, Muhammad Mafrukhin is 05, Syed Muhammad Fazi is 06, Ikhwan is 07, Nur Hamiza is 08, Hairul Faizi is 09, Muhammad Nazmi is 10, Muhammad Nordin is 11, Guna is 12, Muhammad Shahmi is 13, Azizuddin is 14, Loges is 15, Nur Shakila is 16, Nurul Wan Nadia is 17, Siti Nur Zalika is 18, Siti Nur Aisyah is 19, and also Tiru is 20. Okay, so you type all this into your browser, right? If you are AKPK03, then akpk03.hazrail.com/wp-admin, then it takes you to the login page, and you can actually access the back end. How many of you able to access? Can I see show of hand? Raise your hand. In the text lah. Okay, Farihin is with me, thank you. Shakila, okay, Shakila also raised her hand. Zalika is also there, alright, thank you Zalika. Still displaying landing page. What do you mean landing page? Dashboard, okay sampai, okay. Still displaying landing page. Displaying landing page, you mean the front end or the back end? Again, just to make you understand, this is your front end where people see whatever that other people see. This is your front end. Okay, it is being defined by AKPK, your numbers.hazrail.com, and your back end is AKPK, your numbers.hazrail.com/wp-admin. Your for current Faizi still displaying the front end. Okay. So perhaps it's a bit slow, right? So for those who are able to access to the back end, okay, the next thing that we wanted to see is that how we can set the themes, so that is much more. We say that kita nak make up lah, you want to put some makeup to your website lah. Right now it looks like this, boring maybe this one when you just install, you would like this, okay, but we want to customize it to a better one. Okay, so quickly what you can do is that on your menu on the left hand side here, right, there's a menu that called appearance. Okay, appearance over here, you get it? So click on the appearance, or you just move your mouse on the appearance, and you can see that there's a theme. Okay, can you see my site? Let me. Okay, coming back, okay, to what I am on the back end. If you go to your appearance, okay, one of the menu on your left hand side over here, okay, so there should be a menu called appearance. Okay, so when you move on the appearance menu, you will get all this sub menu, and you want to click on the themes, right? Okay, so when you put or you click the themes, you can see that these are some of the themes that you can actually choose from. Okay, so right now the one that being used is actually this one. Okay, these are the one that you are using right now, because it says that customize. Okay, compared to this one, you want to activate. It mentioned that you want to activate it or not. Okay, meaning that it's not being installed yet. Okay, so what I'm trying to ask you today is that I want you to search, okay, simple theme, simple one page theme. Oh, sorry. Click on add new dulu. Go to the theme. There's when you go to themes, okay, it has add menu, add new, and then now you search simple one page. Alright, so we wanted to find perhaps this theme. Which one? Let's choose can be any lah. Perhaps I want to have this WP fan zone. Okay, so the next step is that you need to install. Okay, so install button after you have already choose which theme that you want to add. Okay, so you need to install. There's a lot of themes, but you need to choose one lah. So say that I choose for WP fan zone. Okay, and for those who cannot find, perhaps what you can do is that you go to your search, but up there you type WP fan zone. Okay, so when you search WP fan zone, you can see this. Okay, so the next thing that I want you to do is to install. So wait for the installation. Okay, so now it's already been installed because you know that the button has turned to active. Okay, so the next thing is that on the same location of your install, there's an active button. Click there. So you want to activate it. Okay, so now it says that you can custom. The rest you have an active live preview, but now the one that already been installed and be default template is actually your WP fan zone. Basically, what you have done is that if you see your house, okay, as the WordPress front end, okay, so now you want to put a paint on your house, okay. So what you can do is that, or you have what we call it facelift lah of your house. Okay, so you install this theme to facelift your house. You have the same house, okay, but now perhaps you want to make it a facelift of your house. So from this part, okay, so you can go to your front end. Okay, just now it looks something like this, and actually if you refresh it, okay, you can see that it's already changed to a different one. Okay, it would look something like this right now. All right. So here it still have my blog, my WordPress blog, menu that perhaps you wanted to add more. You want to post, or you want to add for few more menus. Okay, so what you can do is that, okay, go to customize, right? Click on the customize at your theme just now. Click customize. Okay, and it will take you to this page. Okay, and you can see that you can customize accordingly. Okay, so the first thing, perhaps you change the site logo. Okay, click on the menu, site logo. Okay, mind you, if you choose the different theme, you will have different menus on your left hand side over here. Okay, so it has a different outcome if you change or if you install differently lah. Okay, so mine, when I choose select image, okay, so perhaps I want to choose upload file. I want to customize it according to my ComSoc page. Okay, so perhaps I put a logo, ComSoc logo. You need to find a JPEG. Maybe official. This one. Okay. So select an image, okay, and then upload, or it says that exceeds the maximum upload size. Okay, maybe find a much lower size. How about this? This one. Is it okay? Oh, okay. So now it can have it. And part of the SEO is best if you can put lah what is the alternate text, maybe IEEE ComSoc logo. Okay, then choose this image. So right now you can see that the logo is being put up here, but it's too big for me. So if it's okay, then actually you have to put on publish mode, right? There's a button up here, okay, a publish mode. So if you refresh your page right now, you will have your logo on top of it, but it's too big for me. It doesn't look nice. Never mind. So I think I want to remove this. I don't like it. Site logo. So go to the next one, social media icons. If you have your social media, so here is where you want to put it. Okay, so just like your Facebook, you know that your Facebook, facebook.com, okay, and then slash. What is your Facebook user just now? If mine, if not mistaken, is my cleaning services. Okay, so where is it? See that cleaning balik cepat, if not mistaken lah. Okay. Okay, and then your Twitter, if you can remember, twitter.com/balik cepat. Okay. Then Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, and YouTube we haven't have it. Instagram, okay, Instagram.com/balik cepat. So if you are happy, then you publish. Okay, so you are happy with that, you publish. You can see that you have all these icon on top of your page. Okay, so you can see here, these are the icons on top of your page. Okay, before that we don't have. Okay, and now you have it. And you want to see the reflection, go back to your front end and refresh it. Okay, and you can see now all this social media icon is here and is actually active. When you move on, okay, so it will change the image. Okay, so say that we want people to go to your Telegram. Okay, so you just put your what you call it, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. So you link your page to all this. So the social media channel that you have, everything should be over here, right? So now you have all your social media icon. Okay, so then go back. Okay, I will skip colors, I will skip background image. What is it? I want to go to home page setting. Okay, so there's one menu, almost the second last menu. Okay, home page setting. I want to go to here. Okay, so click home page setting. Okay, you want to have the latest post. Okay, so you click there. So with this, meaning that the first page that people comes in is actually the posting that you post daily lah, or the occasion post. Okay, then other than that, slider option, I don't want to go to this. Okay, go to menus, right? Okay, then the next one, okay, we want to go to menus. Okay, right? So click menus. Okay, and then it says that, oh, create new menu. Okay, fine, I want to create a new menu. Okay, and name your menu. Menu say that main page menu. Okay, and you wanted to say that this is a primary menu. Choose primary menu. Okay, name your menu, main page menu, and also then click on primary menu, then click next. Okay, I hope you are with me, right? Okay, and then it says that add items. Okay, now you have a icon that say that add items, right? Okay, so click there. It says that, oh, what are the things that you want to add? Right now I don't really have many, so I just add my home button. Okay, so this is from your page, home button, and the sample page, right? So that is for this moment, and then you click publish, right? Okay, so go back to your front end and refresh that. Okay, first thing first, that you will see that this menu will gone and will be changed to the menu that we already set just now. There are two different menus. Okay, so now you see that you have your home and your sample page. Okay, so these are the two menus. Okay, so these are the menus that you have. Okay, this is the posting that you have, right? All right. Okay, so what else that you want to have? Actually, you want to have more lah, especially contact and also product. Okay, so on the menu over here, we want to shout what is our product. Okay, and the other one is the contact. So for this part, okay, you go back, or actually you can just cancel the X on your left hand side. There's a X button on top of this. Okay, so you want to click that X button, and it will take you back to the main WordPress, right? The one that you can see here. Okay, and where you start with the appearance just now, themes and so forth. Okay, So now we want to go to what we call pages. Here, there's a pages menu. There's also a post menu. After this, we will also handle this. Okay, but now we want to go to pages. Okay, so go to pages, click pages, and click all pages. Okay, so you see that these are all the pages, right? Remember just now we have this menu, home, okay, and also sample pages, right? So if you click on the sample pages, these are inside the sample pages. Where is this actually? At the back end, this is the sample pages. Okay, so if you click here, okay, any changes that you done on this page will actually also reflected on the page that you see just now. Okay, so click on here, simple pages. Okay, so right now I want to change it to product page lah. So want to go for product, or mainly people say that my products. Okay, so my product is blah blah blah, right? Then this is what people say, and also perhaps I wanted to add some images. Okay, so what you can do is that there's a plus add block on top of your left hand side over here. Okay, so you click there and you want to search for image, right? There's a lot of other function or blocks, okay, but you want to go for image, right? And then it gives you this image block. So you want to choose perhaps upload image. Just perhaps choose a different images. Okay, where is it? Then background. Okay, so I choose this one. Say maximum size. Choose a different one. So go ISTT. Say this one. Right. So it's okay. Right. So if you are happy with this page, okay, then you click update. Okay. Click on the right hand side here. There's an update button. If you are happy with your page, right? Okay. So this is my my product. Okay. And go back to your front end. Just now, the one that we already changed is your sample page, right? So I expect that if I refresh this, it will look the same as what I've already did the changes. Okay, so refresh. Okay, and now you can see that this is my product. Even the menu just now now changed to my product according to this title name lah. Okay, so now this and this are the same thing. Okay, this is my product. Right, and all the changes that you already put in will be also reflected over here, right? So now you can click your menu. Home is the main page where you put your post. Okay, then you can go to my product, which is the menu of your or the first page of your product. Okay, and another one you want to have a contact, right? So what you can do is that you go back to the view pages. Okay, you click back if you are currently on the editing page. Okay, so you click on the top left hand corner, right? So the black one with the logo W here. You click there, it will take you back to this area. Okay, so now just now we already done changes on my product. Okay, the next thing is that we want to add new. Okay, so you put add new. Okay, and put it will come to this page, a new page, so you put contact. Okay, so that is the title, and then you start to write. Okay, our do contact us. Okay, then you give all the relevant information. What is your address? ADD RESS. Kejap. Zalika said, Encik Karen, boleh start over tak yang sample page ni? Saya tertinggal kereta api. Boleh. Please wait. I'll do on the contact page. But for a new page, okay, what you can do is that just click on the left hand side. This one I just leave left hand side and come back to the main WordPress backend. Okay, so one of the menu is pages. So click pages, right? It goes to all pages, or these are all the pages that you have. The one that we see just now is my product, and we already changed. Okay. Then policy is there, but it's not being shown. You can actually preview it. The page is there, but it's people don't know about it. Okay. So the thing is that we want to have a contact page, so we add new. Okay, and then we put the title as contact. Okay, and then write your contact. Please contact us. Okay, address, then your telephone number, your email. Okay, and perhaps you want to have your map lah. Okay, so basically you want to have the contact. Okay, so you put it something like that, and then you put publish, right? Are you sure want to publish? Yes, you publish, right? Right. So you have a contact page right now. So what you can do, go back to your main menu. Okay, so now you can see that you already have a new page that is called contact. Okay, so if you go to your front end, it's not being shown where's the contact yet, right? So go to home, so you don't know where's the contact page. So we want to now have another menu that shows our contact over here. Okay, so how do we do that? Again, I will just mention to you that we want to have another menu that on side of my product, I want to have the contact page. Okay, so for the contact page menu, so go back to appearance, right? Okay, so you have to go back to the main back end of your WP admin, and you on the left hand side there's a menu called appearance. Okay, just now we go to themes, right? Okay, and then we also done customization. We want to go to menus, right? So from here you can go to menus, click on the menus, and it will give you here. Okay, right now on your menu you only have these two, home and my product, correct, right? Because you have your home and my product over here, right? Okay, so you want to add another contact, which actually on your list right now there's this one is a contact page. Okay, so you just need to click on this. Okay, just click on that, and it says that add to menu. Okay, so you have need to have your menu, and you can see that now you have another menu called contact, right? So save the menu. Okay, and if you refresh, what you gonna see is that you have another menu that called contact. Still loading. Oh, don't surprise me. Contact box. You don't have the contact box yet. You have to create. Right. I cannot click on the contact box. You cannot click on the contact box. This one. Tapi tadi dah create. Okay. So whatsoever you can add, if you already have all the page, okay, you can add the page to your menu, which is the menu is on your right hand side over here. Okay, so now you have your contact, and actually you can rearrange lah. if you want to put your contact first, okay, so you can rearrange, drag and rearrange, right? Okay, and if you're okay, save menu, and if you update, you should have your contact menu right now. Okay, so for the sake of testing, okay, just click on contact and it should portray the contact that you already created. Okay, so please contact us, tell email address, okay, and you can edit lah. Ikhwan berjaya, congratulations. Okay, so now you have your menu. Okay, you can have your product page, you can have your contact page, right? And you can add more lah, basically. And you can actually do the menu as a menu and sub menu. For instance, if you want to be the home and my product is part of the sub menu, what you can do is that you left hand click and then drag your menu to a bit of the right, okay, and then you can see that now the alignment is not for the my product is currently on a bit on your right hand side. Okay, if you do this, what you can see is that the main menu that you can see refresh on your page, the main menu that you can see is actually two, home and contact, but when you click home, you have my product. Okay, so the menu now is sub menu. Okay, so if you want to take it back as the main menu, so you move it to the left and save again and refresh on the front end. So you will still now get back all the three menus in line. Okay, so this is the menu. Last but not least, before we go to the second part, before we go, I wanted to update on this what they call it, my page posting lah. So right now we want to, just now we go to pages. Pages is just like a room within your house. Okay, so you create pages. This one is just like something lah. It's not a room. So you want to go to pages, all posts, right? So see here, my pages here, you can change. Okay, so now we want to change it to welcome. So click on the post, all posts. It will list all the posts that you already have. Okay, so my post, my page, you want to change, welcome, and okay, then you wanted to write down some of the things, add image. Okay, add image, say that image media library, so this one select, then you update. So you will see that if you go to your front end, your post, it will be somewhat updated lah. So now they already have a welcome man. Okay, and if you dig more on this, you will see that the post with the images, right? Okay, so this is on the post. And one more thing, if you want to see that there's an image on your post, okay, that accompany this post, what you can do is that on the edit page just now, okay, so you can go on your right hand side. There are few menus, right? So you have status and visibility, permalink, categories, tag. Go to feature image. Okay, select the feature image, click set feature image, choose the same image, okay, and set feature image. And when you update, I will reckon that on the post here you will have an image that accompany this post. Okay, so you will see that you have this post that reflect to the image that you already featured. Okay, so if you wanted to have new post, okay, go to add a new post, and then say Selamat datang pula. Okay. So again, selamat datang, text a bit. Okay, and then you add some image from your media gallery, for instance, this logo, say, select it, and then before that, set the features image. Okay, set the features image. Same thing, select here, and when you publish, you will see that now you have two posting. Publish. Go to your front and back, so you will have two posting that mention about this lah. Okay, so this how you create a post. Okay, so now with that, you can see that your page looks like much visible lah, and more practical with just a simple customization. Okay, you can have it. And last but not least, one thing that I can also share with you, click on back to the main menu. Okay, we want to go for the appearance. Okay, and then go to widget. Okay, so those who are currently with me, go to appearance. Okay, and then select widgets. Right, when you select widget, you can see that there's few things that being shown here. Okay, search, recent post and recent comment. Basically, this is to reflect this part on your right hand side. Search, recent posts, recent comments. Okay, so if you don't like this, okay, what you can do is that you can just delete it. Okay, so this one will reflect to that. Okay, perhaps I don't like comments to be appeared, so I can delete this. Right, so it just left with two. Try to update, so it's auto save. Then go to your home front end. In you refresh, you see that you only have a search and also recent post. Okay, but say that on your right hand side, I wanted to have a videos lah. Okay, so you search for a YouTube videos. Okay, search for a YouTube videos, and then YouTube, youtube.com. Okay, search for any videos that you wanted to features in your first page. Okay, say that maybe your company profiles video. Okay, so mine will say that I just click on Upin and Ipin here, and then go to the link of this images. Okay, so the link will be on top here, right? So copy that link, Control C, copy that link. Okay, and then go back to your widget just now. Okay, so here there's a lot of things that you can actually include, but the one that we want to have is actually a video. So I will scroll down until I find a video components. Okay, so there's a lot of menus over here, archive, audio, calendar, categories, and so forth. I want to put video, so I choose a video format from here. Okay, and then just add to the widget, which is actually already identified, is on the homepage server. Add to the widget, right? So you will see that here, okay, is a video. You want to add a video. Okay, a bit go back. Okay, so the homepage sidebar just now, you have research, search, and also recent post. So you want to add a video. Okay, and it says that what action you want to add video, or you want to insert from URL. So we choose insert from URL, and then paste your YouTube settings on that, okay, and then you add to widget. And now so maybe you say that this is our corporate video or corporate video. Okay, just imagine lah if this is a corporate video, right? Then you save and to see it's refreshed on your front page. Okay, so now you can see that your corporate video is currently can be played on your page, so you can play directly from here, right? Okay, so and with that, I think your page are currently much more customized, much more recognizable in a proper manner with just a simple customization, right? So I think I will stop there on my sharing for today, but open for any question from the floor itself. Okay, so Farihin mentioned that cantik tuan. Yeah, you can get it much more customized, much more better lah. There's a lot of things that you can do with WordPress, especially I haven't played around with plugins yet. Okay, so there's this on the back end. There's a plugins mentioned over here. If I just what they call it, if I can go to the plugins here, add new plugins, just to show you, say that I search for WooCommerce. Okay, and you can see that this and additional installation that can change your website into e-commerce platform, just similar to Shopee, Lazada, or any other platform that you can have. Okay, so you can see that this one it will be really close to your e-commerce platform, right? So Farin ask, ada possibility ke if kita guna custom template untuk WordPress pakai HTML? Boleh, tapi you have to know how to customize it lah. Me myself, I'm not into it. I'm usually use the already used template. Yes, you can do that. Khairul Faizi, Farin kena ajar saya, tak dapat cash up, ada meeting tadi. Tak apa, nanti boleh tengok video juga. Shima boleh view video nanti. Dan Aisyah, please share today recording session dalam Telegram group. Watch, go through again and catch up. Thank you. Okay, boleh. Thank you Puan KS. Alright. Any further question? Do you like the WordPress thing? Ikhwan punya jadi. Alright, very good. Nice I also actually, when I started to do this, I really like it because this is what we call CMS, customized management CMS lah, for content management system. Dia ada macam-macam lah. Dia ada what they call it, a few lah, but WordPress is one of the CMS, and after I know WordPress, I think I really get in love with WordPress, and I think I've installed many WordPress sites, and I've tried some few of the plugins, even for businesses or for my own personal use, and it really take me lah. So any other question? If not, it's already 1:41. I would like to stop, and just for a reminder, for tomorrow's session, it will be day 6. We will go to YouTube marketing, video marketing best practice. Okay. For the task, it should actually, for today's task, it should be this lah, post an IG live. Okay, so the one that I wanted you to do is that, if possible, try to do IG live. If you can go for 1 minute IG live, record the videos, okay, and then share the videos in the Google Drive, okay, Also compare between picture size in IG, FB, and WhatsApp. Okay, so please do this when you go back. Okay, and then perhaps if you have time, read about video marketing so that you'll be able to participate for tomorrow's session. Right. If there's no other question, just to recap. So for today, we start by defining Telegram. We start by defining Instagram. Okay, what is the purpose of Instagram? How to fine tune for marketeers, okay, digital marketeers. Then we also have done on Twitters. Okay, how does Twitter's best practice being implemented for businesses? And finally, a bit of customization on WordPress, which is your landing page. Okay, so by now, you already have your platform, I think. So right now you have your website. Usually, all this website is your main page lah. So when people ask you what is your business, do you have business on internet? So usually you refer to your domain lah. So like me, I say that, you can go to hazrail.com, right? And then this website is landing page to all your other media. So you can see that in the website just now, you can also link it to your Facebook. Okay, you can also link it to your Instagram and also Twitter. Okay, and later on you also on YouTube. So with respect to that, you have an integrated digital marketing channel and tools. Okay, so that would be the end of my session today. Thank you very much for your attention. For the videos, I will try as soon as possible share with you. But based on my previous experience, 3 hours videos, after done some editing, it will take some of the video half a day to be finished, to be compiled, and then the putting on YouTube is very quick lah. I think it's around less than 10 minutes. It will be ready. But converting from the raw videos to JPEG, MP4, it takes a bit of time. Okay, so I don't think I can have it quicker. Okay, I think the fastest to share the video, it will be tonight, right? If there's no other question, right? Thank you very much for your attention, and have a nice day. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.